And we'll sit up as tall as we can, allowing our spine to lengthen. And we'll close our eyes. And we're just gonna take a moment this morning and allow ourselves to come to the present moment, to the present breath. We allow ourselves to notice the air as it brushes against our skin, feeling the temperature of the room, feeling our internal temperature, feeling the quality of our breath and the clarity of our mind. And so we take a moment to begin to tune in. And as we begin to tune in this morning, we're going to connect with our gratitude. And so as we begin to clear our mind, we allow gratitude to be our base, to be a place that we move from the rest of our day. And so allow yourself to begin to feel that gratitude deep inside for your ability to move, for your ability to breathe, for your ability to think, for all of those things that we have that we may take for granted. And so we feel this gratitude deep inside, and that's where we settle. Remembering that we can always come back to our breath if our mind is wandering. If we feel our mind starting to wander or chatter, we feel ourselves beginning to engage in a conversation, we notice it. We say not now, and we come back to our gratitude. Back to a deep sense of being thankful and gracious for all of our blessings. And so we allow ourselves to feel our gratitude from a deep place. Allowing ourselves to be grateful and gracious for all of the little blessings that we have. So that as we begin to move into the rest of our day, we can think and act from a place of gratitude. we feel our mind wandering, engaging, if we feel a sense of chatter, we say not now, and we come back to this deep sense of gratitude, being thankful for our ability to sit, to breathe, to be upright, to be open-hearted. And so we let this sense of gratefulness come from deep within. So we start to then bring our attention back to our breath. We gently move our fingers and our toes. We take a few breaths, gently opening our eyes and closing them, taking our time to come back gradually. And then we'll let our hands come together to meet at our heart, letting our thumbs gently rest against our heart center. We take a moment to once again come back to our gratitude, to feel this place of graciousness from deep inside, to carry it with us into our day, into our thoughts, into our actions. Thank you for meditating with me. Thank you for the beauty that you each bring. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you find freedom, know peace, and walk through the world with ease.